Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game like Blox Fruit in Roblox Studio. First, familiarize yourself with the Roblox Studio interface, including the Explorer and Properties windows. Begin by creating a new base plate and adding terrain features to establish your game world. Implement basic player movement scripts to allow characters to walk, run, and jump. Crucially, set up a reliable data store service to save player inventory, stats, and progress across sessions, ensuring a persistent experience for everyone. Next, focus on building compelling combat and progression. Design a versatile combat system, incorporating melee attacks, ranged abilities, and special moves. Introduce a skill tree where players can invest points to unlock new powers and enhance existing ones, offering hundreds of unique combinations. Develop a comprehensive quest system with non-player characters offering tasks, guiding players through the world, and rewarding them with experience and items. Finally, program diverse enemy artificial intelligence, from simple grunts to challenging boss encounters. For your game world, leverage Roblox's powerful terrain editor to sculpt islands, mountains, and oceans, creating a vast and immersive environment. Incorporate custom three-dimensional models and animations for unique weapons, characters, and environmental props, adding distinct visual flair. Always prioritize game optimization, ensuring smooth frame rates and minimal lag for up to 50 players simultaneously. Employ both server-side and client-side scripting effectively to manage game logic, player interactions, and secure data handling. Finally, consider monetization and community engagement. Integrate game passes and developer products, offering cosmetic items, experience boosts, or unique abilities to generate revenue. Establish a balanced in-game economy where players can earn, buy, and trade items, fostering a dynamic marketplace. Actively engage with your player base through social media and in-game announcements, providing regular updates and hosting special events. Thoroughly test your game with a small group of players for several weeks to identify and fix bugs before a wider launch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.